Hey everyone, welcome to our 6th edition of Latin Street Food. Today we're going to be making a Puerto Rican favorite, bacalaitos. And if you've never had a bacalaito, you're in for a treat. Come on, let's get started.
Slice, chop, nice spice, hot or mild. We got it, you just name the style. One in a mill, culinary skills, prestigioso, todo queda sabroso.
What are bacalaitos? They are these wonderful crispy salt cod fritters. I remember spending a summer with my grandmother in Puerto Rico. We would go to downtown San Juan, we would go to the beach, and no matter where we went, there were these street vendors that were always frying up bacalaitos. So the salt cod is just that. It's heavily salted codfish or salted pollock, and it is cured with salt to preserve it so that it can be kept for a long period of time. Because it's heavily salted, we're going to have to actually soak this in water for about 6 hours, and then we're going to begin the recipe.
After 6 hours with 2 intervals of changing the water, the salt codfish is ready to cook. Remove from the water and place in a large sauce pot. Add 4 cups of fresh water and cook for 15 minutes, reserving 1.5 cups of the cooking liquid. In a large bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Add 1 packet of sazon, the Latin staple seasoning, or here I'm using our signature spice mix. Add 1/4 cup minced red onion, 1/4 cup diced red pepper, 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano. Also add 1 tablespoon of sofrito and 2 cloves of garlic minced. Now add the reserved cooking liquid. Stir to combine all ingredients. Lastly, flake in the salt codfish. Stir to combine. In a large pot or skillet, add 3 cups of canola oil and heat to 350 degrees. Always make sure to test a fritter so you can adjust the seasoning, or in this case, to make it more crispy. To the existing batter, add 1/2 cup water and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Drop in 1/2 cup of the batter into the hot oil in a straight line. As the water evaporates, the bacalaitos will become more crispy. Drain on paper towels and repeat the process. The result is a thin, super crispy, salty fritter with tons of flavor. Oh man, that's good. There you have it, Puerto Rican Bacalaitos.
Thanks for watching. If you really like this video, smash that like button and click to subscribe so you can stay up to date on all new content. And remember, food can look good, but if it doesn't taste good, then your cooking is in vain. So make it sabroso.